Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today I'm solving a question from the outside. Hopefully not too much noise, but if so, I apologize. Let's do question 1688, count of matches in tournaments. It's an easy level question, and let's go with the description. If you're given integer n, the number of teams in a tournament that has the strange... Oh, you're given an integer n, the number of teams in a tournament that has strange rules. So the tournament has strange rules. If the current team number is even, each team gets paired with another team. A total of n divided by 2 matches are played, and n divided by 2 teams advance to the next round. In the case where the number of teams is odd, one team advances in the tournament randomly. The rest get paired up, as in the previous event, and the number of teams that advance to the next round is n minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Alrighty. Return the number of matches in the tournament and decide the winner. So, thinking through this question uh, in my own words would be it's it doesn't seem like an actual strange rule at all. It seems like when if there's an odd number of teams, one team eventually just essentially proceeds to the next round regardless of whether they win or not because they can't be paired up with another team. So it seems like we're just going to have two conditions. The first condition is there are even number of teams. The second one is that there's an odd number of teams. If it's even, the number of matches increases by n divided by 2, and the number of teams decreases by half. In the case where it's even, the number of matches that gets played is still n divided by 2 in an integer form, and the number of teams that advance is n divided by 2 plus 1. So let's start coding this up. I'm going to say while n is greater than 1, meaning that while there is more than one team playing, I'm going to do something weird here. I'm going to say that matches always gets increased by n divided by 2. This is an integer division, meaning that we're guaranteed that even if it's odd or even, the number of matches only gets increased by n divided by 2 integer form. Then we would have to decide what the next number of teams are going to be, and that is also going to be n um, divided by 2, right? However, not in the case where if n is a odd number of teams. And in that case, I'm going to say that if n modulo 2 is equal to 1, and I don't even need to say this, then I'm going to say n plus equals 1, and then do n divided by 2. All of this should result in the correct number of matches, and boom, easy peasy. This is an easy level question, so I wouldn't expect anything more difficult. And we're beating a good amount of people, so I'm not going to go ahead and compare to what others have submitted. So, simple breakdown of the two conditions that occur here helps me get to the answer pretty much straight away. With that, thanks for watching. Let's keep this one short, and I'll see you later. Please like and subscribe.